future of Lamborghini, the Lamborghini Manifesto. A car so radical, it doesn't just bend the rules of design, it breaks them entirely. This isn't a car meant for today. It's a glimpse into tomorrow. A vision of what happens when art, speed, and innovation collide without limits. The Manifesto represents Lamborghini's boldest idea yet, a fully electric hypercar concept that defies every expectation. It's not powered by fuel, it's powered by imagination. At first glance, the Manifesto looks like something pulled straight from science fiction. A car designed not by engineers, but by visionaries. Its body is sculpted from the future itself, sharp, alien, and aerodynamic beyond reason. Every line serves a purpose, every surface tells a story. Lamborghini calls it a self-healing machine. That's right, its carbon fiber structure can literally repair itself from minor damage using embedded microchannels and advanced materials. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of engineering. The design is unmistakably Lamborghini, aggressive, angular, and alive. The front end pierces the air with Y-shaped LED lighting, while the rear diffusers and aerodynamic tunnels manage airflow like an invisible orchestra. The entire car is designed for speed, yet it looks like it's already moving, even when it's standing still. Underneath, the Manifesto ditches the traditional combustion engine entirely. Instead, each wheel houses an individual electric motor, giving the car true torque, vectoring, and instant response. Power isn't delivered to the wheels, it is the wheels. And thanks to Lamborghini's collaboration with MIT, the car's carbon fiber body itself acts as a battery, storing and delivering energy from within. Imagine that, a car where the frame, the skin, and the soul all work together as one living organism. That's the Lamborghini Manifesto. Performance? The numbers don't even matter, because this car was never about statistics. It's about emotion. It's about what comes next. With instantaneous torque, zero leg, and all-wheel drive precision, the Manifesto is designed to make electric performance feel as visceral as a roaring V12, but in total silence. Step inside and you're no longer in a car, you're in a cockpit. The interior is stripped of clutter, designed purely around the driver. Digital projections replace traditional dials, holographic displays blend with carbon fiber panels, and the seating position feels like piloting a spacecraft. Even the steering system is wire-controlled, allowing complete precision without mechanical constraints. But the real magic of the Manifesto isn't in its power or design, it's in its philosophy. It asks one question: can emotion survive electrification? And Lamborghini answers with a roar, not from exhaust pipes, but from innovation itself. The Manifesto stands as Lamborghini's declaration to the world that the future doesn't have to be silent or soulless. It can be electric, sustainable, and still breathtakingly emotional. This is the next generation of Lamborghini, where technology meets passion and performance meets consciousness. Compared to the Revuelto or the Aventador, the Manifesto isn't their successor. It's their evolution. It's not built to race. It's built to inspire, to show that Lamborghini's DNA, emotion, performance, and design will live on, even as the world changes. Because the Manifesto isn't a car for the road. It's a promise that the bull will keep charging, no matter what the future holds. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic journey through the future of performance. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which concept or hypercar you want to see next. Until then, stay fast, stay fierce, and never stop chasing the extraordinary.